I don't mean to be a snob, but these eBay headlights that my car came with are just not cutting it. Hello everybody, I'm Craig Gentry. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button down here. Today we've got a set of JDM headlights that need a little bit of a restoration and cleanup before they go in the car. So let's get started on that. To polish out these lenses, first I'm going to use a 3000 grit wet sanding pad, a little bit of soapy water. I'm hoping that this will remove the yellowing. That will probably leave them pretty hazy looking, so after that I'm going to move on to the Adams compound, the blue compound, and I'm going to use their matching, their corresponding blue foam compound pad. Then to give them their finishing shine, I'm going to move on to the Adams polish, and then I'm going to use their white polishing pad that goes with that. In case any of you would like to try this on your own, I will put links down in the description below. Okay, so the story with these headlights is I found them on Facebook Marketplace. So I picked these up and I planned on cleaning them up and putting them in my car, but another set popped up on the marketplace that were in really nice condition. So I went ahead and scooped those up, and those are ones I'm going to use. So these that I just polished up, these are going to go up for sale. I don't know what to do about them. I'm thinking about doing a raffle. So let me know if that's something that you would be interested in. If I do the raffle, it's going to be in the DA9 Mafia group on Facebook. So let me know if you think that you'd be interested in doing a raffle. I might just put them up for sale, I'm not sure. They're not the cleanest set in the world. They did polish up nicely. They're gonna look good, but the hardware in them is kind of rusted up a little bit. Some of the tabs have a little crack in them. They're not broken yet, but they're cracked. There is one small crack in the lens that you can't really see unless you're up above looking from top down. But that is there, full disclosure, just in case anybody is interested in these. Also, something else I'm kind of excited about is I just made my first set of JDM headlight conversion harnesses. Here's what they're looking like right now. Password JDM went out of business. That used to be the go-to for these. It doesn't seem like anybody's picked up and started making and selling these, so I thought I'd give it a go. I haven't got to test these yet. As you can see, my car is not here today. As soon as it gets back, I'm gonna hook these up and make sure they work, and then if so, I'm gonna put these up for sale. I'm only gonna make a few of these on this first run, just to kind of gauge interest. I don't know how many people are needing them, so I'm trying to just make a few and have a few available to ship out. And then if you want to place an order or you need some, just holler at me or find me on Instagram, send me a message there, find me on Facebook, on any of the Integra groups, or just drop a comment below. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's not a normal video for me, but hopefully soon I'll have my Integra back here in the shop, and we're gonna get some JDM headlights installed. And I've also got something else for the front end that I think everybody's gonna be excited about. So keep your eyes peeled for the next upload. Hopefully that'll happen this week, because next weekend I've got Cars and Coffee again, and I really want to take my car to that one looking a lot different than the stock look that I had at the last one. So thank you so much for joining me. If you have not already, please click the subscribe button. Please go to Instagram, follow me there, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.